Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Rise of Nations. This real-time strategy game challenges you to guide a civilization from the ancient age to the information age. Your primary goal is to expand your territory, develop your economy, and build a powerful military to dominate your opponents. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started, from choosing your nation to understanding the basic mechanics. Let's dive in and learn how to lead your civilization to glory. A strong economy is the backbone of any successful nation in Rise of Nations. You'll need to gather 6 crucial resources: food, timber, metal, oil, wealth, and knowledge. Constructing buildings like farms, lumber mills, and mines is vital for consistent income. Don't forget to research economic upgrades at your library. These can significantly boost your production rates. Efficient resource management ensures you have the materials for both military expansion and technological advancement. Keep those resources flowing. Once your economy is thriving, it's time to build a formidable army. You can train a wide array of military units from various buildings, including barracks, stables, and siege factories. As you advance through the game's 8 historical ages, you'll unlock increasingly powerful units and technologies. Remember to utilize unit counters and terrain advantages in battle. A well-planned attack can overcome a larger force. Don't forget to build defensive structures to secure your territory. Prepare for conquest. There are several paths to victory in Rise of Nations. You can achieve triumph through military conquest, by completing specific wonders, or by accumulating the highest score. The game features a unique territory system where your borders expand as you build cities and forts. Don't underestimate the power of espionage. Spies can gather intelligence and sabotage enemy efforts. Finally, mastering diplomacy, forming alliances, and knowing when to declare war are crucial for long-term success. Good luck, and may your nation rise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.